In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a contact form on your Weebly website in just 5 minutes. Let's dive straight in so you can get your form up and running smoothly. To begin, make sure you're logged into your Weebly account. Logging into your account will be your starting point, and everything begins here. So, if you haven't done that yet, go ahead, open your browser, and log in. Once you're in, we'll head over to the website editor, which is your workspace for making all the creative changes to your site. Now, navigate to your website editor. This is where you'll make all your design and content changes, so take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're new to this. On the left-hand side, you'll usually see different editing options and tools you can utilize. It's pretty user-friendly and intuitive, which helps a lot. Next up, we need to choose the page where you want your contact form to appear. Think about where it would be most beneficial for your visitors to find it. Usually this is on the Contact Us page, or if you want, you can add it right on the home page if that's what makes sense for your site. Selecting the right page ensures that your visitors can easily get in touch with you. With the page selected, let's bring in the contact form. Over on the left-hand sidebar, you'll find a variety of elements you can add to your page. Scroll through until you find the contact form element. Simply drag and drop this onto your chosen page. It's designed to make the process straightforward, even if you don't have technical expertise. Once your contact form is on the page, click on it to open up the editing options. Here, you can add or remove fields based on what information you need from your visitors. For instance, you might want to collect their name, email address, and message. Customize the field settings to suit your exact needs, and don't forget to check the form settings as well to ensure everything is configured correctly. After you've fine-tuned your form and are satisfied with how it looks and functions, it's time to publish your changes. Find the Publish button. Clicking this will make your new contact form live on your site, making it visible and usable for all your website visitors. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've set up a contact form on your Weebly website. This will provide a convenient way for your audience to reach out to you, enhancing their experience and connection with your site. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful tips.